Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how to use Deepseek AI Assistant on your iPhone. So the Deepseek is an alternative to ChatGPT, which was released a few days back. Now it is actually trending with a lot of performance and everything. So right now we're going to talk about how to use this on your iPhone. So the first one, you have to go over here in your Apple Store, and you have to, on App Store, you have to search for the Deepseek, and you can get into this. From here, scroll down and navigate to Deepseek over here. Now from here, you have to tap over here and you have to open the Deepseek. So as you can see, which is pretty similar to the Deepseek. And before getting to this, we'll be having an option to log in. So you have to log in to the Deepseek. And once afterwards, you have to log in and give all the credentials for your Google account. And afterwards, what you need to do is to sign in. And afterwards, we'll be having a page like this. So this is actually pretty similar to the ChatGPT. So over here, if you can check over here at the top, we have this particular horizontal line. If you tap on this, these are what you searched so far. So over here, we'll be able to see everything like what you have chatted so far. Every searches and details will be here. And even if you go over here in the Deepseek, you can see this particular option over here as well. Now, if you tap on Deepseek R1, which is actually, I think it is a premium one, which is kind of performance is larger for it. And over here, if you go for the search, you can search on the Google, you can search something the terms related to the search, and that'll be giving you details over here. And also, if you check over here, you can just type over here something. For example, you can type over here, or you can search something. You can just and randomly typing, these are not of any use. So just randomly have to type this one. So when you type something, they're going to give you some, what I have done is just give me some cat names. So what I understood is that it's quite faster comparing with the chat GPT. And, it is going to give you all kind of details over here. And if you check the process, the way it executed is, everything is so fast and everything. And also we have an option called Deepseek R1. And if you check over here, you can see this is actually, I think it is a premium one where you can search a little bit more and all. If you go for the search, you can use the internet where you can search something kind of everything from here itself. And apart from this, if you go over here, you can see, you can just go over here and find everything. And also if you tap over here on this one, that is actually a new chat where you can go over here and you can search over here for the new chat, which is like a new window where you can search more and more. And even if you go over here on the new chat, right now we're on the chat, you can search something over here. And once if it is done, you're fine with it, you can just search for it. And you can also just tap over here for the new chat, you can tap over here. So that's when it comes to how to use Deepseek on your iPhone. And that's what it's pretty AMOLED. It's actually a rival to the ChatGPT. And I think everything is flushed up over here. Like the market has been crashing after the release of Deepseek. And they're saying it is much greater than comparing with the ChatGPT. And it has a lot of features and we have to see. So that's it. And I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. That's it. Bye.